Today is a wonderful day and it makes me very happy to wish you a very happy birthday, Deepak. The first time I met Deepak was about 30 years back when he was just a teenager. As sweet as he was, he made me feel welcome in my house. He was the best brother-in-law and a better friend. Even today, Deepak would compliment my cooking, which makes me feel good. Deepak was always hardworking and helpful when I was in the hospital during the birth of Kaushal and Divesh. Deepak was present in the hospital the whole time. Deepak had his Hazam nearby and he was sitting on the hospital bench with his book studying there. We have had lots of picnics and trips together and Deepak always motivated and pushed me ahead to try out new things, whether it is water rides, climbing mountains. And Deepak is a very kind man, very jolly and a very loving person. Deepak loves us all very much. And Deepak, we also love you too. Happy birthday to you, Deepak. Wishing you lots of prosperity, success and good health ahead. Thank you.
Good evening, one and all. Time is not measured by the passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. Time flies by so quickly that it appears as if it was just yesterday that I saw Deepak as a young boy riding on Vinanti's Euro moped, going to college on it. Feels like it was just yesterday, as Deepak still continues to have that young energy and enthusiasm. And with the age comes wisdom. And I have seen you have become a wise man, Deepak. 50 years ago, nearly the end of monsoon, in the cold evening, on the auspicious night of Tulsi Vivah, in times with difficult modes of communication and transport, with taxi strike prevailing, the private carriage ride towards the Janata Maternity Hospital, what feels like a different era now. That night, our mother Anandi gave birth to you and brought you in our lives. Deepak was from childhood a noble person, warm-hearted, very focused and determined, a sweet, loving and charming person. His actions always spoke louder than words. I got married somewhere in my early 30s and Deepak had his final exams just a day after our wedding day, which he kept me unaware of. And after our wedding, when I found out, he just said that he did not wish to have any changes in our event, which meant more to him than his exams. He not only participated with his food, with his wholesome heart, but did all the arrangements himself. Also, I can remember Deepak studying on hospital bench, accompanying me when Kaushal was born. Deepak has always been inclined to learning and studies. He used to be the favorite student of every teacher. His school principal always spoke good of him and complimented him. He was a merit student and never surrendered his first rank up to SSC. It always made me feel very proud. Today, as I am standing in front of all of you, it makes me feel extremely proud of my brother for all that he has achieved in all these years. If our father Bappa is watching down to us, I am sure he will be happy to see your progress and would be as proud of you as I am today. Deepak was always a visionary with a dream, and along with that dream, he had a drive powered by his determination, stubbornness, and strong will. I now look at him with an even bigger dream in his eyes. After the next decade, I can already see him more successful. Deepak is youngest among us, but I have always received the best advice and learnings from him. Deepak always opened up my mind to new ideas and to explore new places. Deepak is a brother. Deepak as a brother is like a pillar in our family, keeping all of us stand tall and stick together. We as siblings always have each other's back, and the bond we share gives me the confidence to say so. All the journeys and trips that we have had together would not have been as interesting and valuable without you. As everyone have obviously mentioned or will be mentioning, Deepak is a great brother, husband, friend or mentor. Deepak is also a great father. The way he loves and cares for Vedant and Radha is extraordinary and beautiful. I wish you a day filled with true happiness. Let yourself do everything that you like most in life. A very happy birthday to you, Deepak. We love you lot, and you shall always have my blessings with you throughout and always stay safe. Looking forward to many more celebrations like this and lot more of traveling and adventures together. Now, blessings in Sanskrit. Janmadinam idam atipriyasaka. Janmadinam atipriyasaka. Shantanu tute
sarvadamudam.
Shantanu tute sarvadamudam. Shantanu tute sarvadamudam. प्रार्थना महे भवशतायुषी. प्रार्थना महे भवशतायुषी. ईश्वर सदा त्वमच रक्षतु. ईश्वर सदा त्वमच रक्षतु. पूर्णकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय. पूर्णकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय. जीवतव भवतु सार्थकम्. जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्. जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्.